Hey guys, if you're looking for a brighter, whiter smile, I have something just for you. This is the MySmile Teeth Whitening Kit, an at-home solution for a dazzling smile. Now let's check out what's in this box. 3 whitening gel syringes, a shade guide to track your progress, a very thorough set of directions and tips and tricks, and last but not least, a battery-powered powerful LED mouthpiece for enhanced whitening. Quick and easy assembly required. Simply remove the plastic piece behind the battery, then test the LED to make sure it works. Next, take the mouthpiece and attach it to the LED light. Now we're ready to get started. First, use the shade guide to track your progress and results. Assemble your syringe by removing the protective cap and replacing it with the injector tip included in the box. Then remove the tip and you're ready to inject. Using it is super simple. First, apply a small amount of the whitening gel at the top and the bottom of the mouthpiece. As an alternative, you can also use a Q-tip to add the gel directly to your teeth. It's recommended to use 0.5 ml for each application. Then pop it into your mouth and press the power button. It runs for 10 minutes. While we wait, let's talk about what makes this whitening gel so effective. It contains carbamide peroxide, a safe and dentist-approved ingredient to break down stains, hydrogen peroxide, which lifts deep discoloration, and aloe vera to keep your gums comfortable. Once you hear a beep, your 10 minutes are complete and the LED automatically turns off. Repeat daily for 7 days for best results. Rinse out your mouth and rinse out the mouthpiece. Cleanup is so easy. Check out my results just after 1 week. They're noticeably whiter and no sensitivity. So if you're ready to level up your smile, go grab a MySmile whitening kit today.